Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Today we're doing number 16. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 8, no other help. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. To finish out this box, we're missing a 9. For this top row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 8, 9 here, 4 here. Makes this our 8, 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 has to be here. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 4, 6. We can get rid of this 4. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 8, 7 here, so 3, 8, and no help here, 3, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. Finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 6. And we can get rid of this 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 8, 7, 3. And this 8 and this 6 means this is our 4, and this is our 8. To finish out this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. Nope, that can't be right. We look at this row, we're missing a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're missing a 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.